Last week, Cohere introduced a fascinating new model called Command R+, which is a larger version of their previous model, Command R. For those unfamiliar with Cohere, it's a company specializing in building foundational models specifically tailored for retrieval-augmented generation at scale. Unlike other companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Mixtral, which focus on various tasks for enterprises. Just a quick reminder, we have also uploaded a fully detailed playlist on how to install and run local GPT on your system without encountering any errors. I will provide the video link in the description. So, Cohere's primary focus is on solving retrieval-augmented generation challenges. Similar to its predecessor, Command R+ boasts impressive accuracy in tasks involving retrieval-augmented generation, along with low latency, high throughput, and an expanded context window of 128,000 tokens. Additionally, Command R+ offers multilingual support for 10 different languages, making it highly versatile. In this video, we'll explore some of its results and put the model to the test ourselves. Notably, Cohere's previous model, Command R, performed exceptionally well in evaluations, demonstrating nearly perfect results. While Command R was a 34 billion parameter model, the Plus version boasts a staggering 104 billion parameters, resulting in significantly improved relative performance. So, in their comparison, they're looking at the Command R model alongside Mixtral Large and GPT-4 Turbo, especially focusing on their multilingual capabilities. Interestingly, it surpasses the Mixtral Large model by a significant margin, and it appears to be closely matched with GPT-4 Turbo, particularly in the realm of retrieval-augmented generation. What's particularly noteworthy is its performance in tool usage, where it's claimed to outperform GPT-4 Turbo. It's quite intriguing to observe. Now, considering pricing, it's positioned lower than Mixtral Large and GPT-4 Turbo, although it seems to be priced higher than some other language model providers. As a company, their primary focus has always been on retrieval-augmented generation, and this new model seems to excel in that regard. When it comes to retrieval-augmented generation, Command R stands out according to their blog post. It's optimized for advanced RAG tasks, offering highly reliable and verifiable information tailored for enterprises. This new model enhances response accuracy and provides inline citations to counter hallucination, making it an ideal solution for sectors like finance, HR, sales, marketing, and customer support. Their internal evaluations yielded impressive results, especially in human preference evaluations for summarization with citations. Comparing it to Sonnet, a Cloud 3 medium version, people preferred this model 74 times more, compared to only 26 times for Sonnet. Additionally, it performs well compared to GPT-4. Even in multi-step reasoning with search tools, it demonstrates strong performance, almost on par with GPT-4 Turbo. Overall, these results are quite impressive. When it comes to conversational agents and function calling, Command R appears to outperform both the Cloud 3 Sonnet and the Mixtral Large model. This model is truly remarkable in its multilingual capabilities, supporting 10 different languages including English, French, Spanish, Italian, German, Portuguese, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, and Chinese. This diversity sets it apart from other language model providers, particularly with its inclusion of languages like Arabic and Portuguese. Even in multilingual evaluation tasks, its performance stands out compared to other providers. For enterprises serving customers across various regions with diverse language needs, this model is certainly worth considering. Additionally, in terms of token cost for multilingual support, it offers a competitive advantage compared to offerings from Mile and OpenAI. The models themselves are not open source, although their weights are publicly accessible. This presents an intriguing strategy. While they encourage experimentation with the model weights, they restrict commercial usage. To utilize the model, one must utilize the Cohere API. As for pricing, let's delve into that next. If you're keen on experimenting with the model, Cohere offers a platform called Cohere Coral, offering 3 distinct options. Firstly, you can engage directly with the model, prompting it to generate responses. Secondly, you can enhance these responses by incorporating web search results. Lastly, you have the option to analyze files, enabling retrieval-augmented generation on your own documents. Simply upload your documents in PDF or text format, with a maximum limit of 20 MB. In this video, I'll demonstrate Coral with web search and Coral with documents. Let's start with Coral with web search. I asked, what is CodeGemma LLM? The response provides detailed information about CodeGemma. It says CodeGemma is a family of open access versions of Google's LLM Gemma, which are specialized in code. It comes in 3 flavors: a 2 billion base model specialized in infilling and open-ended generation, a 7 billion base model trained with both code infilling and natural language, a 7 billion instruct model a user can chat with about code. And it's actually correct. One notable feature is the provision of inline citation. If you click on any highlighted part of the response, it will reveal the different web sources used, along with highlighting the relevant keyword. This enhances transparency and credibility in the information provided. Now, let's explore Cohere with documents. Here, you can enable web search, which will augment answers from both your uploaded documents and perform web searches to generate comprehensive responses. Simply click on Upload to upload your file. In my case, I'm uploading a PDF on gradient descent. Once uploaded, you'll see the PDF is selected. Now, let's pose a question: what is gradient descent and why do we use it? The model responds with, gradient descent is an optimization algorithm used to find local maxima, minima. It can be used to update the weight vector so as to minimize the error. You can also click on the response to view the reference, which is sourced from the uploaded document. The model intelligently highlights specific sections of the document relevant to the answer. In summary, this model presents exciting practical applications, particularly for enterprise use cases. So, this is Simplify AI. And staying up to date with the rapid advancements in AI technology and innovation can be challenging. However, you can make this process easier by following our channel, where we provide regular updates on all the major developments in AI. And do not forget to like and share this video.